G'day guys, I'm at the Ballarat Outdoor and 4x4 Expo and I thought I'd do a quick review on the Navigator Go Everywhere table. Now we've sold out this weekend, this is the last one and it's sold. But I thought it's worth talking about because there is so many tables out there and this is really different. Now the table itself packs up into a bag this size, so it's a bit hard to show on the camera, but it's very small. The other thing that it has on its side is the height. So if you're preparing a meal, this is about waist height on me, so you can prepare your meal nice and easy. But you've got adjustable legs, so you can drop it down to a meal size height as well. If you've got uneven ground, you can adjust each leg to suit the ground that you've got the table sitting on. So I thought I'd give a quick video on this to pack it up. It just packs up really easily. The Go Anywhere table from Navigator, it's good stuff. Just to add to the quality, the innovation that Navigator offers in their gear, I thought I'd show you the seat organiser. Now I've got one of these in the car, I'll show you in a few moments, but the seat organiser is really good because you can build it to how you want. So when you get it out of the box, it comes like this. It's got a really big substantial pouch on the front with 3 pockets. But you can see these straps here. You can actually build the seat organiser how you like. So you hook these through, so you can have 3 more pockets on the front. Perhaps you'll want a drink holder, so you can put a drink holder up the top. And before you know it, you can actually build it up to how you want it to be. But just out of the box on its own, it's fine for whatever you like. We've got first aid kits in our shop, which also hook straight into these straps. So the Navigator innovation and thought they put into their gear is really good. So this is the seat organiser. Let's have a quick squiz. I'll do some footage of the back of the car. So as you can see in the back of my car, I actually have the air compressor, the ARB twin barrel air compressor, mounted under the seat, because in the 150 Prado we lack a bit of space. But you can see here, because I've got the air compressor in the back, I keep all my air gear on the back seat in the organiser. Now the way I've set mine up, you see there I've got the hose. The way I've got mine set up, I've got the 3 pockets on the top, but I could put more on the bottom. So in here I've got tyre deflators and all sorts of stuff. So the Navigator rear seat organiser is gold for storage solutions. In the theme of innovation, Navigator offers a fantastic kitchen solution if you've got a camper trailer, even just with your Oz tent, with your normal tent. You've got the ability with particularly the kitchen buddy here, put all your utensils up in here, all your condiments, spices, everything in here. You've got a really good big pocket there for the other bits and pieces. Down here you can put your paper towel roll, but also it hooks into the storage buddy. So you can put your bowls, your plates, your cups, everything in here. It all folds up really nicely and can hang off this spreader bar or whatever bar you've got in your tent or your camper trailer. The Navigator storage solutions are becoming a really big partner to our business here at Dirt Road 4x4. There you go. Over the last few days I've been learning a lot about the Navigator gear, and I'm learning off customers because it is so popular out there. And one of the big sellers is the shovel and rake combination. Now they're sold individually, so the rake comes with the rake head and the extension, and the shovel comes with the shovel head, extension and handle. Now the good thing about Navigator is they connect up together. The other thing people have asked this weekend, will it all fit in the shovel bag? Because when you buy the shovel, as you see it there, it comes with the bag. But what we've learnt over the last couple of days is the rake head actually fits in there as well. So when you buy the 2 items, they'll all fit into the one bag. So a place for everything in its place. So the Navigator shovel bag will fit the rake head. So we're learning a little bit this weekend. So over the different products, we've looked at the rear seat organiser, we've looked at the kitchen buddy, the storage buddy, and we also looked at the table. So if you're looking for some really amazing storage solutions, Navigator pretty much has an answer for everything. There are other products, but I'll do other videos as we roll along. I'm Trev from Dirt Road here in Ballarat, cold, miserable Ballarat, but we're making the best of a good thing. Navigator, good partner to our business. Thanks guys.